morning, it's the afternoon. In this video we might actually be making them into rhubarb custard. I've had rhubarb custard before, it's amazing. Hello guys, it's me Noah. Today we're going to be like pulling these rhubarbs up. We've got two here. We're going to be pulling out this one. Because this one's like growing and it's not as big as these ones, and this one's like better. This is going to take like another season to like a year or so to grow, and then we'll do it next year, so it's going to be a long time. So I'll get this one because this one's a big one. So I would twist it and then pull it to break, and there we go. First one. I don't know if the roots might grow back, I really do not know. Maybe the next one. And there we go. So, I'll see what we have to do with these two. And then I'll come back. So I'll see you guys for now. Bye. We have to cut the here off, and then we have to cut the end off. So I'm going to go now because my mum wants to do it because I can't. So now my mum's going to go on. Yeet. Wait. Make sure, kids, that you let an adult do this. You don't, because you probably chop your fingers off. And you won't have any fingers on. You'll have stumps on your fingers, so that won't be good. So, after you've cut the two edges off, and trim it off like that, like our mum's done. YouTube videos. I just get elbow and on the plates and got that up. Like you see, you have to shut it up like that. But don't make a racket like my mum is. Then get a bowl and then plop them in, and then get the tap and wash them until they're nice and clean. Shake them about and then put them back. So when you've trimmed it all off and you've got the ends and you've got all the leaves, you have to put it in a compost bin. Hello guys, I'm back. So the rhubarb that is there has been cooking for 8 minutes now. So after you've done that, we have got 3 people in the family. No, I mean in this house that we're gonna eat it, but we're gonna eat it all in one. Pour that in. And if there's any liquid, pour all the liquid in. I'm going to pour some nice custard. Yeah. Guys, I'm going to enjoy this. Please smash like button and subscribe for more gardening videos. See you guys. Bye.